blank page waiting, white and new. Time to make our dreams come true. Grab your markers, pink and bright. Fill the world with color and light. Draw a princess, draw a star. Show the world how great you are. Add the glitter, watch it shine. Create your own amazing design. Welcome to the Princess Design Academy, where you can draw your sparkliest fantasy. Princess Design Academy, yeah! Let's create our magic story. Princess Design Academy, let your sparkle shine for everyone. Let's grab our markers, let's all go. Time to draw a sparkly, sparkly show. A giant pink lollipop, yum! The cutest one under the sun. For Princess Valeska, oh, oh, oh. A heart-shaped treat all aglow. Yeah! For Princess Valeska, woo-hoo. Let's start the magic drawing show. Yay! Look at all the glitter. Giggle, giggle. So much sparkle. Ah, this is the best day ever. Happy squeal, I love it. We can draw anything. High-pitched, excited scream, princesses. More sparkle, more sparkle. Yippee! Lots of happy screams and giggles. Let's grab our markers, let's all go. Time to draw a sparkly show. A giant pink